Yes, now we are discussing about personality development. In that, today we are discussing about how to make a speech. Especially, speech is most important for important persons and leaders and officers also because they will deliver their speech with purposeful. So that speech is most important. In that, we are discussing about how to make a speech. Preparing a great speeches. Know your how to prepare great speeches. That first is know your audience, know the occasion, select a topic, select a purpose, gather potential content, gather more content than actually used, organize content, phrase the speech. What are the basics of speech? Speeches and presentations include three basic parts: introduction, body, and conclusion. There are these three parts are held together by transitions which allow the speaker to flow smoothly from introduction to body and from body to conclusion. And next point is how do you start a speech? Here are the 7 effective methods to open a speech or presentation. Quote. Opening with a relevant quote can help set up the tone for the rest of your speech. What if scenario? Immediately drawing your audience into your speech. Works wonder. Imagine scenario. Question, silence, statistic, powerful statement, phrase. And next point is how to write a speech step by step. 7 steps to excellent speech writing. Set your speech objectives. Know your audience. Know what you want your audience to take away. Grab and hold the audience attention. Establish and support your key messages. Use visuals to reinforce and enhance your messages. Wrap it up nicely. And next point is what are the 5 steps to speech, to a speech. That is step 1 is research and preparation is most important, and step 2 is writing your speech, and third is practicing is most important. Practicing in delivery, in presentation and voice, everything will come in that. And step 4 is putting together visual aids. Visual aids also will give a very big impact. Next step 5 is handling the question and answer. Question and answers means please say questions, I will give answer, not like this. Regarding the subject, you can ask them. What is the best introduction to speech? A good introduction needs to get the audience attention, state the topic, make the topic relatable, establish credibility, and preview the main points. Introductions should be the last part of the speech written, as they set expectations and need to match the content. And next point is how to prepare a speech in English. To structure your speech and make it easy for your audience to understand your point. Split into 3 sections: introduction, main body, and conclusion. In each section, you are trying to achieve a different aim. In the introduction, your aim is to tell your audience who you are and what you are talking about. And next point is what makes a powerful speech. The essence of a great speech is always the ability to communicate a simple message crafted to suit the chosen audience, not only through words but through the fusion of the character of the speaker and the message itself. The authenticity of that matching of a speaker and message decides its success or failure. This is the information regarding the speech. One thing I will say that English speeches are always comfortable in cosmopolitan culture because suppose you are in Delhi or otherwise even in big organizations also, Telugu people will be there, Tamil people will be there, And so many states, these persons will come according to their mother language and state orientation. But all will know about English. If they may not talk English, but they can understand English very well. So, if your speeches are in English, means it is comfortable to all, and they can digest and they can understand, and it will give a productivity to your speech also. Wishing you all the best.